Welcome back, Dukeman fans. This is Dukeman, and I'm here with another episode. And we're going to play a bit of Survival Craft. You might know this game. If you might not, it doesn't matter. It's just place. So, new world, I guess. Yeah, let's put on. I'll create Armless. I don't like goal survival. It's just so crazy. I think something's wrong with my voice. Doesn't matter. I know how you play this game. You left me. Why? That's a question we'll never answer. Oh shoot. You updated this game, I think. Alright, so we're going to get a bit of wood here. So if I attack a monster, it's going to attack me, but if it sees me, it's not going to attack me. I think that makes sense. It doesn't matter, guys, but I'll be doing a playthrough of Survival Craft if you want me to. Yeah. Maybe each day I'll play Survival Craft. My god. It's wood. Oh, come on. We got pumpkins. Yeah, in Survival Craft you can eat pumpkins. Let's just pick up these pumpkins. My god. You can eat them. I think you can put them as heads. That's right. Yeah, and there's redstone and all that. Yeah, this is a tree. I cut it down. Not the best with the control. I'll try my best. Where's that? Did I pick up the wood? Hey, doesn't matter. I'm so I like the way you can just grab it down. It's very easy. More pumpkins. More pumpkins is better. Give me a sec. Yes, I just see a banana. Oh shoot, that actually scared me. Let's take up these pumpkins. I might change my skin. Yeah. Let's make a flat one. You can sleep without The problem on this game is how am I supposed to sleep? Maybe you could make a tree house. I'm not sure. Maybe my survival craft would be like 10 minutes. I don't know. Oh man, it's raining. okay. I don't think we need this in our inventory. Let's try that way. And let's discover. Yeah, because I know that birds can drop stuff like eggs and you can like feed your animal. Zebra. Does that give leather or meat? I don't know. Shoot. Why are you running? It's okay. Come to me. I am your master. I'm completely wet, I know. Shoot, I know. Yeah, there's real good effects in this game. It actually counts them. Like if you go into the... Oh shoot. Let's see if we go under a tree we're dry. Oh shoot. How much hearts do we have? Yeah, the hearts are really low in this game. Collect wood. I might change the controls. What the heck? You feel a bit chilly. Are you serious? Oh. Beat that. Bruh. What are you doing in here? Get out. Using it as cover. What the hell did I do? I think I should stay inside. There's iron. Yeah, one time I found diamonds and I didn't even know it was so rare. I just thought it was a type of like... Let me see. Oh, no. If we're gonna craft up, we're gonna craft it. Those style. Oh. Yeah. Just check this out. Oh shoot. I don't want to die soon. It's going completely dark. Shoot, actually. I'm just... I was beside a bear. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, that's a way out. Oh my god. I'm completely lost. Give me a sec, guys. I'll be back. I'll be back, guys. Give me a sec. Yes, I'm back. You're slightly hungry. I can't see a thing? You can't see a thing. Very stupid. Nah. You are no longer wet. I know. I know I'm near outside. But I'm doing my friends. I'll be back. I just need to like figure out where am I. I'll come back to come up. Yeah, I hate League of Legends. I'm just playing in creativity. I don't want to play survival anymore. I deleted that world because like it was screwed up. I didn't know where to go, so yeah. Let's get stuff from creativity. Yeah, let's build a home, then turn it into survival. What's that? God. No. Pick it up. This. I don't know what am I saying out of this when it's supposed to be. So, well, let's get on building. How'd you fly? Oh, yeah. I'm not sure how to fly. Again, I'm once again stupid. Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. Oh, I'm not building. Okay. No. If you're enjoying this, do leave a like. It really does help out. If you leave a like, I'll make more videos. Just like these, I guess. Yeah. My last episode, I said if you leave a like or subscribe, I'll do more reaction videos. Took a look? No. I'm just making upstairs with it. What the heck? Is there no volume? The hell? Guys? I don't know what's going on. Well, this sure is creeping me out. But maybe I'll try fixing it in the next video. We're just gonna build our own selves a house. And then when we're done, we'll turn it into survival. Yeah, you can do that. Oh my god. So I'm gonna end the video here, guys. If you did